All right, pop quiz. What do race cars, sneakers, and even your phone all have in common? They're all made using advanced manufacturing. Manufacturing today isn't just assembly lines and hard hats. It's robotics, 3D printing, and high-tech problem solving. And the best part, you don't need a PhD to get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Talking Jobs. I'm Mary Williams. This series is all about exploring careers that are exciting, in demand, and totally within your reach. This is video 2 of 3 in our advanced manufacturing series, where we'll show you how to get started, what kind of training you need, and how to land a great job in this field. If you're wondering how to break into advanced manufacturing, what skills you need, and where to start, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Thinking about a career in manufacturing? You'll need the right skills. And the good news is, you don't have to spend 4 years drowning in textbooks to get them. Certifications and hands-on training can fast-track you into a high-paying, in-demand job. Let's break down your options. Hold on, so you're telling me I can just print a certificate and get hired? Not quite. Employers actually want real certifications that prove you know your stuff. Let's start with some of the most valuable ones out there. First up, the Certified Production Technician, or CPT. It covers the fundamentals: safety, quality, production processes, and maintenance. Basically, it tells employers you won't break expensive machinery on your first day. You can check it out at msscusa.org. Sounds useful. What if I want to work with high-tech machinery? Then you might be interested in becoming a certified CNC machinist. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. Basically, computers control machines that cut, drill, and shape materials. If you like tech and precision, this is for you. Training is available at nims-skills.org. If futuristic tech excites you, consider additive manufacturing certification. This covers 3D printing, which is revolutionizing industries like aerospace, healthcare, and automotive. It's like making things out of thin air. You can learn more at americamakes.us. And let's not forget welding. If you like fire, sparks, and fusing metal together, welding certifications are a great way to break into high-tech manufacturing. Industries like aerospace and robotics rely on precision welding for production. The American Welding Society offers certifications at aws.org. Okay, so now we know which certifications can get you hired, but where can I actually get training? There's a couple ways you can get started. Community colleges and technical schools offer hands-on training using real equipment, not just boring lectures. Plus, many schools partner with local manufacturers, so when you graduate, you have a direct path to a job. You can find programs near you at nc3.net. If you're more interested in machining, NIMS, or the National Institute for Metalworking Skills, has top-tier training in CNC operation and industrial maintenance, which is all about keeping manufacturing machines running smoothly. Learn more at nims-skills.org. Okay, that's great, but I kind of need to make money now. That's where apprenticeships come in. Many companies will literally pay you to learn. You'll get hands-on experience, training, and did I mention a paycheck? You're literally getting paid to level up your career. Check out apprenticeships.gov to find opportunities near you. Need something a bit more flexible? Online programs have your back. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning let you train at your own pace, meaning you can get started learning CNC machining while in your pajamas. Some even offer official certifications to boost your resume. Oh, finally, a program that fits my lifestyle. Right. Bottom line, whether you want to build the future with 3D printing, master CNC machining, or get hands-on with welding and industrial maintenance, there's a training path for you. Find your program, get certified, and start making real money doing something you love. Okay, so you got the training, you got the certifications, now what? How do you actually land that job? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's look at a few ways you can stand out in the job market. The first thing you'll want to do is to get hands-on experience. Internships, apprenticeships, even volunteering at a local makerspace. If you can show employers that you know your way around manufacturing equipment, you're already ahead of the competition. Next, start networking. I know, it sounds like something only business people do. But trust me, going to job fairs, career expos, or even chatting with people in the industry can open doors you didn't even know existed. Ah, yes, networking. Time to shake hands and pretend I know what ROI means. Not exactly. It's just about meeting people in the industry, making connections, and letting them know you're interested in the work. No mustache required. And finally, you can always research companies that interest you. Some companies offer on-the-job training, while others are looking for specific skills. A little homework now can save you a ton of time later. So why should you even consider a career in advanced manufacturing? Easy, because it's one of the fastest growing and reliable industries out there, and companies are hiring right now. Hold up, I'm seeing all these job openings, and you're telling me that I can just get hired without some crazy resume? Exactly. Companies are actually struggling to fill these jobs, so now is the perfect time to jump in. Technology is revolutionizing manufacturing. Robotics, automation, and 3D printing are making production faster, smarter, and more efficient. The Wall Street Journal recently reported a surge in manufacturing job openings as companies shift production back to the US, and companies need workers who can operate and troubleshoot these cutting-edge technologies. You could work in aerospace, automotive, healthcare, or even sports equipment production. Whatever you're into, there's a career path in manufacturing that fits. Bottom line, advanced manufacturing is a high-tech, high-demand field, and the path to success starts with the right training and certifications. If you ever thought about working with cutting-edge technology and making real things that impact the world, this is your chance. If you missed the first video in this series, What is Advanced Manufacturing? Go check it out to get a solid foundation on what this field is all about. And if you want to see advanced manufacturing in action, stay tuned for the next video, Inside an Advanced Manufacturing Facility, where we take you behind the scenes. Your future in advanced manufacturing is full of opportunities. Why not explore them?